Imagine you are an 18-year-old boy, joined an engineering college. On day one, you saw a girl, instantly fell in love with her. You didn't irritate her, you didn't trouble her, you didn't disturb her from a distance. You were loving her. You never told her that you love her. You didn't frequently speak to her, but you loved her. Days passed, months passed, years passed. Last few weeks are left in the college. So you have decided that you will propose her today. You went to the bus stop, she was alone. You spoke to her. From the first year, I started admiring you. I love everything you do. I love your character. I love your behavior. I love you in and out. You thought that she would accept, but she didn't. Very politely, very decently, in a very dignified manner, she said, "No, I have no such feelings for you. I have a lot of dreams. I have a lot of aspirations. I want to study further. I'm sorry if I have hurt you. I'm sorry." This is what she said. You're very upset. You're very, very deeply hurt. You came back and one of your best friends asked you, what happened? You wanted to tell the truth that she rejected your proposal, but you couldn't. You thought that you will be insulted, so you told your friend that. She accepted. She accepted the proposal. We went to the coffee shop, and when I proposed her, she was very happy. Even she has same feelings for me. But she wants to study further, so she said that let us wait for 3-4 years. Let us settle in our lives. Let us not tell anyone that we are in love. Let us maintain a secret relationship. You don't tell anyone. Even I will not tell anyone. After 3-4 years, let us disclose this to everyone. Let us tell our parents, and then we'll get married. This is what you told your friend and asked him not to say anyone. Your friend listened to everything, and he said, okay. You had last few weeks in the college. So you're going to the college, but your friend, he's your best friend. But your best friend's best friend need not be you. It could be someone else. And a secret, when you say it to someone, it will never remain a secret. They will tell it to someone and ask them not to say it to anyone. And they will say it to someone else. So a secret just goes to everyone as a secret. But it is well-known secret. So everyone started discussing about your love. Someone said to someone that you were in love right from first year. You were meeting secretly, you were going to parks, you were going to theaters, you were roaming everywhere in the city. That is how the rumor has spread now. So it went on, and it reached to a cousin of your girlfriend who studies in the same college. She went home and told her father that, "Dad, you know what? Your brother's daughter is in love with a so-and-so guy. She goes everywhere. She roams everywhere." And something as such. And her father went to his brother and told the same thing. That your daughter, you thought she's decent, she's well behaved, but no, she does all things back of you. She goes out with a lover. She spends all the time with him. She goes to parks, she goes to pubs, she goes to theaters. Her father couldn't take it. He felt very disappointed with this. He didn't know how to react. He's a very conventional person and he's a very strict father. He didn't even discuss this with her, simply fixed her marriage. Didn't even ask her whether she liked him or not. She tried to convince her father, but her father strictly said, "No, you have to get married now. Whatever you want to do, you do it after marriage, but now you have to get married." This is what her father said. In another 3-4 months, she got married to a stranger, but that person turned out to be an alcoholic. 6 months after marriage, one day, he consumed alcohol. While driving back home, he has hit a lorry and in an accident, he died. 6 months after marriage, she is hardly 21-22 years now. So that's it. She has spent all her life alone. And you don't know all these things. You left the college and you're busy with your own things. You have written GRE, TOEFL, and you moved out of the country. You have cut your contacts. You are maintaining low profile. After 5-6 years, you got married. You fell in love again. You have kids and kids are growing. It has been 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. You became 40-45 years old. But you never knew all this. You are spending your life happily. And your kids also got married. You have grandchildren. You are 60 years and she died one day. You don't even know that she died. So it's all over now. She died. And you are enjoying your life. But she died at an age of 60. 40 years she spent her life alone. Depressed, disappointed. She had no one to share. Her complete life is ruined now. There ends the story. There ends the imagination. We were imagining all this. But think about the probability. There is high probability this might happen. When you say something to someone, that can spread. It's called gossip or it's called a rumor. Rumors spread very fast and it might ruin somebody's life, and you will never get to know that this happened. This all has happened because you told your friend that she also loves you. Actually, she didn't even come to a coffee shop. You said coffee shop and it became ice cream parlor, then parks, then pubs, then theaters. That's enough. It reached her father. He forcefully got her married, and there ends the story. You didn't do it intentionally. You genuinely loved her. You moved away from her. You didn't disturb her. You didn't trouble her. You didn't hate her because she didn't love you. You just felt insulted that you got rejected. But it's okay. In love, we get rejected. It's not possible every time that the person whom you love should love you back. She might love somebody else. Her tastes might be different. Her requirements might be different. You like her, she might not like you. Let her go. But when you speak something negative about a person or something which is not true about a person, that can go and reach to a stage where the complete life will be spoiled. So just be careful. If you want to speak about a person, speak good about them. If they don't have anything good, don't speak about them. Just be silent. Don't speak anything negative about a person. And in love, when you are rejected, don't make their character bad. They are rejecting you because they don't have those feelings for you.